While he's backing it off, say, just finished an oil change on this Audi. Or whatever you want to say, I don't care.
We just finished an oil change on this Audi. We're going to reset the oil line and then release it to the customer.
Hey, stop! Stop.
Oh, no wonder it was. I was like, man, I'm really having gas in this off-road on this.
Oh man, straight up!
I don't know why I put it up here. Go back on the ground. Copy.
The correct pronunciation is what, Ryan?
Arancio.
Arancio. Sorry, there's a loser behind you.
Whoa.
Whoa. This guy. You don't finish in 3 minutes? Lunch is on you. On this nice Audi.
Can't put that in the vlog though because it could copyrighted music.
For those who surround you, need no funny kind. You can't see what's on my brain, I live inside my mind.
Would it bother you if I got this Versace hat on sale too? Oh no, I thought that was fake. No, it's not fake. Every last drop counts.
What happened? You gotta wait to finish the oil change now or what?
Yep.
Why?
We need another half quart because Steph forgot John Denver. Just, you know, getting a half a quart in it. Boom, half a quart. We just finished an oil change on this Audi. We're going to reset the oil line and then release it to the customer.
Hey, stop! Stop. There's wheel chocks he just had to drive over.
Oh. Oh, no wonder it was. I was like, man, I'm really having gas in this off-road on this.
Unbelievable.
I was just thinking he was taking it really slowly. Alright guys, so we finished up Gavin's truck this week, and as you can see, the McLaren is still torn apart. It's been over a month and we still don't have the exhaust yet. We're hoping that maybe by the end of today we will be getting the downpipes, and the X-pipe unfortunately doesn't seem like it's going to be getting done soon, so we're probably going to put the car back together and kind of figure out what we're gonna do as far as what we're doing in the future. But that means that if we do get the downpipes, the next video you guys will be seeing is gonna be installing the exhaust on the McLaren. So you guys are gonna have to make sure to subscribe, put the notification bell on, give this video a thumbs up, comment below what you wanna see next, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.